All right, we are live for break number 2. Getting everything set up for you guys. Get the video turned just right for us. Give a few minutes to let people get in the room, and we will start ripping. We have the bonus Prism box, bonus Prism Blaster we threw in for the break. So thank you all for getting in. And we got box 1, box 2, and box 3 that were dedicated to break number 2. Good luck to all that are in this break, and we'll start here in just a minute when I see a few people start getting in. Is there? Can you give me the bigger one if you don't mind?
Like a wider one?
Yeah, just for when I throw the packs away and stuff.
This one good?
Yeah, perfect. Thank you.
Yep.
All right, guys. I know it's an Easter weekend. A lot of people are doing some things with family, but I appreciate you all in here. Let's get it going. Let's start off with the Prism Blaster, and we will go from there. Good luck, all. We do plan on doing some more breaks in the future, so just keep following us and tuning in. Pat Eller, what's up, buddy? Welcome in. We're just starting it off today. We're going to start off with the Prism Blaster we gave away here. Empty box. Timmy, what's up, brother? Happy Easter. Okay. We got Tony Pollard, Rashawn Gary, Matt Judon, Amon-Ra St. Brown color match. It's a nice one there. Here you go. Thanks. Next pack, Andy Mikowski. What's up, buddy? Thanks, Tim. Happy Easter, Bob. Thanks for getting in, guys. We are on the Prism Blaster. Poyer. We got Jalen Ramsey. We got Dick Green. And we got Alec Pierce.
I see a lot of Mike Dickers in there.
Yeah, you were saying that yesterday.
Yeah.
Guys, everything will be soft-sleeved and top-loaded for any valuable cards. Also available for pickup in shop or those that are out of town. We will be shipping them to you. T. Higgins, Michael Pittman Jr., Steve Largent, Drake Jackson Green. What up, John Brock? How are you, brother? Welcome in. I want to see another auto out of here. That'd be awesome. I know we were a little...
Pretty good, man. Throw us off.
All right, Young Ho Koo.
Young Way.
Young Way. Tyreek Hill. Logan Thomas. Andrew Booth Jr.
Young Ho.
Young Ho Koo. See a hype here on the back. Looks like we got a Waddle hype on the back there. Bernie Kosar, Tony Baselli, Tyler Boyd, Silver Prism. Hype, Jalen Waddle. That's pretty cool. Mm-hmm. Yeah, those cards will all be colored, and those inserts will be soft-sleeved. Last pack of the Prism giveaway, guys. And then we'll get to the good stuff. So it looks like Stephon Diggs, Daniel Hunter, Skylar Thompson, rookie green, and Snoop Connor. Hey, no auto love, but some cards that we were able to actually give away and get in there for you that might not hit in here. But start off box 1. Good luck, all. Contenders football, 18 packs. Let's get it going. right, all the packs are up. Empty box. What's up, Trent? How are you doing? Rick, what's going on, brother? All right, guys, pack 1. Contenders football. Let's see it. We're on search for 5 autos. And let's see them here. Deshaun Watson, Tyreek Hill, Davis Mills, Mike Evans, Christian Kirk, dual Micah Parsons, Mac Jones. At the end of the break, we will do, if there's top bottoms and left right, we'll do the randoms for all those cards. Just so you guys know.
Unless you have both teams.
Yeah, unless you have both teams, yeah. Jalen Hurts, Jerry Jeudy, Zach Wilson, Cam Akers, Rashad Bateman, Gladiators, Jonathan Taylor. Here you go. Thanks. Pack number 3. We got Najee Harris. We got Justin Jefferson, Gabe Davis, Saquon Barkley, Christian McCaffrey with the 49ers, serial number 299.
That's pretty sweet.
That's a cool card. I'll soft sleeve that right now. Yeah. Kelsey game day ticket.
Might keep that for a hit. So.
Yeah. Anything like serial number like that, I'll keep for the hits at the end. We will do a hit recap at the end for those who missed the video and want to fast forward there to the back end. We got Alvin Kamara, David Montgomery, Tua Tagovailoa, Amon-Ra St. Brown, Thomas Brady, and Contenders MVP Herbert.
Tagovailoa.
I know. I like messing up their names, man. Having fun with this. Tua Tagovailoa. I think we got our first auto, maybe. I think we got our first auto, guys. We got Jamar Chase, Keenan Allen, Cortland Sutton, DK Metcalf. And I think it's an auto. This is an auto, number 204, going out to the San Francisco 49ers, Jordan Mason. With another 49er, George Kittle game day ticket on the back. Jordan Mason is a sticker autograph. Say that 10 times in a row. Oh my God. This dude. Mark! Mark! Help.
Help me.
Matthew Stafford, Lamar Jackson, Michael Thomas, Darnell Mooney, Devonta Smith, and legendary Brett Favre. What's up, Mark? How you doing, brother? Welcome in, man. We got DeAndre Swift, Travis Kelce, Joe Burrow, Mike Williams, Javonte Williams, Nick Bolton, power players. That's a cool looking
those
card.
Are so cool.
I like those cards. Those are
like the Marvel ones.
Yeah, Marvel ones. Those are slick. Looks like a rookie of the year on the back. We got Geno Smith, Shaquille Leonard, J.J. Watt, Jameis Winston. We got, that was an autograph that surprised me right there. Chris Oladokun, Chiefs. How come you Steelers uniform?
I think he's on Chiefs practice squad now.
Okay, gotcha. Jahan Dotson, rookie of the year. That's actually nice. That's going to get soft sleeved. And this is a sticker auto. Yeah, that threw me off, actually. I didn't even know that was an auto right there. Well, I saw the Steelers. Chiefs. That is going to go to the Chiefs, guys. It is a Chiefs hit.
That's the one I kept pulling out of the freaking boxes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. You get a ticket, but I got him.
Oh, yeah. You kept on getting him.
Yeah.
I believe we got another auto. We got Darren Waller, Amari Cooper, Debo Samuel, Aaron Rodgers, and this is going to be upside down. Let's see here. Card number 103 going out to the Indianapolis Colts. I believe that's Alec Pierce. Alec Pierce might be on card here. Romeo Dobbs, Rookies of the Year. I think this is going to be on card. It is. Alec Pierce on card to the Indianapolis Colts. So, there is the main hit out of there. On card auto, Alec Pierce. Congratulations, Colts. Still a lot of numbered stuff. I have seen boxes that do have 6 and 7 autographs out of there, so you never know. Oh, I see another auto. This one's going to be a silver auto, looks like. We got Clyde Edwards-Helaire, T. Higgins, A.J. Dillon, Scary Terry. Card number 210. Did we pull 210? Going out to the New England Patriots. Jack Jones, cornerback. This one had some shimmer to it. That's cool. Stephon Diggs, Josh Allen, touchdown tandems. Jack Jones. Oh, number to 99. For a second, I thought that was a Super Bowl ticket. I just saw the shimmer.
Mm-hmm.
Nice hit, Pates. Pats. Pates. Nice hit, Pates. Peyton Manning. Happy Easter, Russ. We got Adam Thielen, Christian McCaffrey, Herbert, CeeDee Lamb, Ramondre Stevenson, Contenders MVP Kirk Cousins. Anybody ever see that video of him throwing his gender reveal at a cardboard box? He almost missed, and it was like 5 yards away. Oh, probably one of the better videos I've seen on YouTube. Jonathan Taylor, Marquise Brown, Juju, George Kittle, Aaron Jones. Oh, that's cool. I like that one. I'm gonna soft sleeve and top load that one up real quick. Josh Allen. It's just a cool insert. I believe the Buffalo Bills was to Ball Game Heroes. Nice hit. All right, we are on. Looks like 6 packs left in box number 1. I think we have one more auto left. Jalen Waddle, Brandon Cooks, Leonard Fournette, James Robinson, J.A., Rookie of the Year, Isaiah Likely. He's going to be tough. He is tough.
They get a quarterback.
Yeah, Lamar wants out, right? That's the word. Matthew Ryan on the back. I bet you that's going to say touchdown tandems. Jared Goff, Elijah Moore, Cooper Kupp, Mark Andrews, Tyrann Mathieu.
Just Matthew.
Matt Ryan, Michael Pittman. Touchdown, tandems.
I thought it was
tandems.
Matt Ryan and Patriots
Ryan.
defense. Super Bowl touchdown.
Matt Ryan. Terrible. He's just terrible. Terrible. We got Austin Eckler, Russell Wilson, Damian Harris, Michael Pittman Jr., D-Hop, and winning ticket, Kyler Murray. Skyler. There you go. Spanks. Let's see here. 3 packs, 1 auto. Is this it? It is. Taylor Heineke, Dalvin Cook, Baker, Kadarius Toney. 216 going to the Baltimore Ravens, Isaiah Likely. Hey, this is going to be a good card. We got Trent Williams and Aaron Donald duel. Isaiah Likely. Oh, number to 49. That's a nice hit, guys. Baltimore, nice hit. Does have looks like a little corner wear there. Little corner bottom left, but still nice hit, guys. I hit Baltimore. That's nice. Number to 49. Yeah, I was just saying, he's going to be tough, man. Give him a quarterback.
Beautiful.
That's just beautiful. 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 Game day ticket, JA. See if we can get another number card here. Justin Fields, AJ Brown, Derrick Henry, Patty Mahomes, DJ Moore, Josh Allen game day ticket. And last pack, box 1. Zeke, Mac Jones, Matty Ryan, Kyler Murray, Cordell, and Gladiators, Rob Gronkowski. Nice box 1. Isaiah Likely and Alec Pierce. Box number 2, guys. Open it up fresh. Pack on the bottom, empty box, 80-10. All right, pack number 1. Good luck on box 2, guys. We got, oh, that's cool. That'll be one of those.
Yeah, one of those Marvel looking things.
Oh, I see an auto. It's already shining at me. So we got first pack, first auto. Aaron Donald, Marcus Mariota, Derek Carr, Nick Chubb. Oh, it's a Kirk Cousins auto. I didn't even slow roll that. I totally forgot. Well, this might not even be an auto. This might be a serial numbered card. Those power players, Ed Reed. Non-auto. Okay, it's numbered to 199. When I saw Kirk Cousins, I was like, that Kirk Cousins auto? It is serial numbered. They are serial numbered. And then autos. Pack number 2. Ronald Watt. David Montgomery, Tua, Amon-Ra, Thomas, Jamar Chase, Ronnie Lott, Gladiators.
Thomas Edward Patrick Brady Jr.
Some of these packs aren't opening up as clean as I thought they would. We got Keenan Allen, Cortland Sutton, DK Metcalf, Matthew Stafford, Lamar, and legendary Dan Marino. I want to see a monster out of one of these 2 boxes for sure. We got Michael Thomas, Darnell Mooney, Devonta Smith, DeAndre Swift, Travis Kelce, game day ticket, Devontae Adams. Joseph Burrow, Mike Williams, Javonte Williams, Geno Smith, Shaq Leonard, Rookie of the Year, Breece Hall. That's pretty sharp.
Mm-hmm.
Breece. We have J.J. Watt, Jameis Winston, Justin Fields. We do have our first auto out of box number 2. It is going to be card number 199, going to the Miami Dolphins, Channing Tindall, along with power players Harrison Smith. Channing Tindall is rookie auto ticket. Let's save that color and hollow for a big boy. How about that? Let's do that today.
What about today?
All about today. Chase on the back. We got Derrick Henry, Patty Mahomes, DJ Moore, Austin Eckler, Russell Wilson, Jamar Chase MVP. Damian Harris, Michael Pittman Jr., DeAndre Hopkins, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, T. Higgins, Game Day Ticket LT. So far, one auto. Yeah, one auto from this box so far. I'll put them by the boxes. There we go. A.J. Dillon, Scary Terry McLaurin, Adam Thielen. Second auto is up with the Christian McCaffrey right there in front. Card number 202 going to the Cleveland Brownies. Perion Winfrey, defensive tackle. See if it's colored or regular. Looks like a regular ticket. Hell of an autograph.
Right? Oh my gosh.
Perion Winfrey. Sign those stickers, buddy.
Is that auto even on there?
Perion Winfrey. Nice hit, Cleveland. I think that was Andy.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
Oh, okay. I think the Browns fan anyway, right?
I think so.
Yeah.
We got Jerry Jeudy, Zach Wilson's, Cam Akers, Rashad Bateman, Kamara, MVP contenders Thomas Brady. 3 more autos left. Feel one coming. Feel one coming soon. Sherbert, CeeDee Lamb, Ramondre Stevenson, Jonathan Taylor, Marquise Brown, Jeffrey Simmons, power players for Tennessee.
What power players is this?
Dog pound, baby.
What power players?
Andy just commented.
Did he?
Yeah, dog pound. Juju Smith-Schuster, George Kittle, Aaron Jones, Taylor Heineke, Dalvin Cook, and Malik Willis, Rookie of the Year. Running with his mouthpiece half out. Yeah.
That's not half of them anymore. Half of them have their mouthpiece on as an accessory.
Yeah. I seen Diggs have his out when he runs routes. Stephon
If
Diggs.
you watch Malik Willis, he's always chewing on it.
Yeah. All right, guys. We got Baker Mayfield, Kadarius Toney, Zeke Elliott. We got our third auto of the box. Mac Jones is on top here. We got card number 237 going to Green Bay Packers. Kingsley Anagbra. Regular card with the Supernatural Aiden Hutchinson. I think the Supernaturals are 1 per box.
Are they?
Saving up our on-card for the juice here in the last couple packs. That's a cool one. Supernatural. It's a rookie too. All right, let's see it. Let's see it. Matty Ice, Kyler Murray, Cordell Patterson, Darren Waller, Coop, legendary Rob Gronkowski.
Call him Matty Ice anymore?
I don't even know.
Matty Ice Cold.
All right, guys, 2 more autos in 4 packs. Have a feeling this might be one. Debo, Aaron Rodgers, Najee, Justin Jefferson, Gabe Davis, Gladiators, Bill Romanowski. That's cool. Old school. Uh-oh. 3 packs left. 2 autos, guys. Let's see a big one. Come on. MVP Trev. We have Saquon Barkley, Dak Prescott, Trevor Lawrence. Here's an auto. Kyle Pitts on top. Card number 221 going to your Atlanta Falcons.
Ritter. Come on, Ritter.
That is Tyler Algier. Is that on card, or would Algier be on card, or would it not be?
He might be on card.
Trevor Lawrence, MVP. Tyler Algier is not on card. Our last auto is gonna be on card autos, guys. Oh, that's gonna be exciting. Come on, be somebody big. Be somebody big. I like Algier. He's good.
Oh yeah.
All right. Thinking of maybe marinating. If I see the auto, I'm thinking of marinating it. Let's see. Do a little marination. No color this box either, guys. Let's see. We got Devontae Adams, Myles Garrett, Trey Lance, Nico Collins, Deontay Johnson, and John Elway. Guys, we saved it for the last pack. The on-card auto last pack. Let's see it. Be big. Be massive. Maybe. We got Kirk Cousins, Stephon Diggs, Daniel Jones, Michael Carter. This is a vertical?
Horizontal.
Or horizontal? I'm sorry. Horizontal. This is a horizontal variation. Card number 102 going to your Detroit Lions. Aiden Hutchinson. Oh, this is going to be a nice one, guys. Be numbered now, huh? You got Jamison Williams and Jahan Dotson round numbers. Oh, it's just on card, but it's still sharp, guys. Nice hit. Nice hit, Detroit. I wonder who Detroit was. Who was Detroit? Trying to think off the top of my head. Maybe Ball Game Heroes?
I don't want to guess and the other person be like, no, it's mine.
Yeah, I don't know. We'll definitely match everybody up. That's a nice one, guys. Aiden Hutchinson on card. Box 2 complete. Guys, we're on to box 3. Last box of the break. Let's see another monster.
Chris was showing me the webcam yesterday. It's getting much wider angle.
Does it?
Yeah.
Good. Empty box, 7911.
Just gotta find a way to get it to go up a little higher.
Let's see if we can save. We'll maybe marinate her.
Again?
Maybe marinate it. It's gonna be luck of the draw. We got Mac Jones. Looks like we got a numbered card. Matt Ryan. Kyler Murray. Cordell Patterson. Oh, this is cool.
That is cool.
Oh, really cool, guys. We got Jamar Chase, Joe Burrow. Touchdown tandems, serial numbered 3 of 25.
How do you do that for a jersey number? You take one and minus the others?
Good.
Or you add them together?
3 of 25. Nice hit, Cincy.
Hold that one up there. That's a beautiful card.
Oh, yeah. Very nice. Very nice.
Oh, 2 touchdown tandems back to back, huh?
Yeah, then it was Herbert right after.
Yeah, that's cool.
Guys, we actually have a printing plate here.
Ooh.
These are rare, right?
I don't know.
This might be on card. You want to save it for a little bit?
No, because you don't want to put it to the side. You want to...
No, I'm going to put it right here on the stand.
Okay.
Guys, I think we got to save this. This might be a big one. I'm putting it right here. That pack is right there, guys. It's a printing plate. I think those are lower numbered, maybe. Well, they're new this year. Let's save it. Because I know that's probably going to be.
They're 101.
No, I don't think they are.
No printing plates.
No, but those are short printed for sure. Got another auto here. Darnell Mooney, Devonta Smith, DeAndre Swift, Travis Kelce. Number 175 to the Falcons,
There.
Troy Anderson. Mr. Anderson. And that is rookie ticket auto. Dude, I'm excited. Yeah. Dude, I'm really excited to see that printing plate. That's my first printing plate pulled so far. I know that they're short. They're short.
I haven't seen any pulled in any
Yeah, they're short this year, so it's going to be really cool to see that one. You guys can see it on screen, right? Yeah, it's there with Dalvin Cook on the front. TJ Watt, Supernatural, be nice. Joe Burrow, Mike Williams, Javonte Williams, Geno Smith, Shaq Leonard, and TJ Watt. Josh just had to go to the bathroom back here.
Twice.
Twice. Did it twice since I was standing here. Nice card. Oh, dude, I'm excited. I want that printing plate to be big. Please be big. All right, we got JJ Watt, Jameis Winston,
yes,
Justin Fields, AJ Brown, Derrick Henry, side by side, Evans and Lattimore. Those ones. Remember we said? Yeah, I said I'd love to see them sign that. Also, gold tickets to 10. That could be a gold ticket to 10. Oh man, I don't know. I haven't pulled one of those yet, so I just saw the plate and I want to put that thing aside. Oh, guys, we got a ticket. We got a jersey numbered ticket, I believe.
Jersey numbered ticket?
No, my God, this could be a good box here. We got Patty Mahomes, DJ Moore, Austin Eckler. They number these to the guys' jerseys, the players' jerseys. See the die cut? All right, thanks, John. Appreciate it. 212. Didn't we say 212 earlier? Baltimore. No.
Charlie
Kohler, tight end. What's his number? To 88. Number 2 of 88. That's actually a pretty slick card.
Ravens.
Baltimore Ravens. Nice hit. Those are to the jersey number. That is a sticker. Oh, man, that printing plate, man, I think it's going to be a good one. Gladiators. Ray. All right, we got Darren Waller, Mari Cooper, Deebo Samuel, Aaron Rodgers, Najee, winning ticket, Aaron. Anthony Munoz. Justin Jefferson, Gabe Davis, Saquon Barkley, Dak Prescott, T-Law, And Munoz for the Bengals. Damian Harris, Michael Pittman Jr., DeAndre Hopkins, Clyde Edwards-Helaire, T. Higgins, and Aaron Rodgers. Kyle Pitts, Devontae Adams, Myles Garrett. We got a mini card? Or what is this? I don't even know what this is.
Another
Saquon Barkley.
It's a
Die cut of some sort.
Looks like a key.
Ooh, that's actually pretty cool. Superstar. I haven't seen that one yet.
No.
Jonathan Taylor. That's a pretty cool insert. Superstar.
What is this? Die cut?
Well, it was like really short. Not serial numbered, but pretty nice insert for sure.
Definitely different.
Yeah, no, it just like you could. I saw it was like mini. It was
It
like
looks like a key almost.
slid in. That's a cool card.
Yeah.
I'll keep that for the
I'll
hit.
just keep that
Yeah,
for
keep
the
it for the
hit.
hits.
Pretty cool looking.
Nico Collins, Deontay Johnson, Kirk Cousins, Stephon Diggs, Daniel Jones, and DeAndre Swift. We got 2 more autos out of these 7 packs left. We have our, looks like a printing plate auto there on the board. We're holding that one till the end. Hopefully that's our on-card main hit, but we'll see. Never know. A.J. Dillon, Scary Terry, Adam Thielen. We have an auto in my hand, and it is going to go to card 290 to the Raiders. Darian Butler, linebacker. Patty Mahomes game day ticket behind that. Rookie ticket auto. Okay. 3, 4. So looks like out of 6 packs. 1 more auto out of 6, unless they gave us some extra stuff. Looks like a shiny card there.
The numbered one.
It's either going to be numbered or an auto. Herbert, CeeDee Lamb, Ramondre Stevenson. Card number 263 to the 49ers, Brock Purdy.
Ooh.
Legendary Steve Young.
Was that Eller at the Niners, I believe?
Oh, boy. That's a big one there, guys. Number to 99. Brock Purdy sticker auto. That is a massive card,
I
guys.
think that was Eller, wasn't it?
I don't know who had 49ers. Nice hit. Beautiful, guys. Woo! There we go. Heating up. Actually, that's on fire right there. I'm not even talking about heating up. This baby is on fire. Nice hit. Auto looks clean. 18 of 99. Not Tim Hess.
Is that what Tim said?
Yeah, not me. Nice hit. Wow, that thing's gorgeous. I'm going to keep that one up here. Shit, put that baby right here. Remember, we still got that auto there. Got these 5 packs. Could this be a box that has an extra auto?
Hopefully.
We'll see. Mark Andrews, Tyron, Deshaun Watson, Tyreek Hill, Davis Mills, Ricky Williams. Nice hit. Oh, yeah, for sure, man. That is a gorgeous card right there. That's a big boy, too. I don't know how much those are running, but that's numbered 99. Nice hit, dude. This case has been fire. Marquise Brown, Juju, George Kittle, Aaron Jones, Taylor Haneke, Devin White, power players. I was going so fast. Nice hit. Wow, that was a good way to finish it off so far. We got to find out who the 49ers were.
I think it was Eller.
I think we got another. We have either another auto or a numbered card here. Michael Carter, Aaron Donald, Marcus Mariota. It's upside down here. Card number 298 going out to the Raiders. Thayer Munford. Patty Mahomes and Khalil Mack. So maybe the printing plate isn't autoed? I don't. Maybe the printing plate isn't autoed.
Was Brock Purdy on card?
Brock Purdy is not. Brock Purdy is a sticker.
So there should be one on card.
This is crazy, actually. Hold on. How many autos we got here? We got 5 autos showing with a printing plate extra hit. No on cards yet, though.
So maybe the plate isn't instead of on card.
Oh, we'll see here. We might have an extra. Auto, guys.
Definitely an extra hit.
Or an extra hit.
We'll take it.
Oh hell yeah! Let's go. We got another.
Is that the number card?
This might be a numbered card. I'm guessing it's got to be.
Who knows?
Nick Chubb, Jalen Waddle, Brandon Cooks, Leonard Fournette. Upside down. This is card 259 going to the Chicago Bears. Trenton Gill, the punter. Punter, kicker autos. It is another auto.
Another auto? We'll take it.
Base Purdy auto over 700. That one's numbered to 99. That one's got to be massive. Awesome. Massive hit to the Niners, guys. And we got another auto. Trenton Gill. Hey, kicker autos sell, guys. I have the count here, guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 6 autos so far, 1 pack, and it looks like a printing plate coming up. Don't know if it's going to have an ink on it or not. I would imagine so. We haven't had an on-card hit yet.
Yeah. There's Georgie.
Georgia Pickens on the back. That's probably the MVP, I'm guessing. James Robinson, Josh Allen, Jared Goff, Elijah Moore, Cooper Kupp, George Pickens, Rookie of the Year. All right, guys. Last hit of the break is a printing plate. Dalvin Cook, Baker Mayfield, Kadarius Toney, Zeke Elliott's covering this. All right, I'm excited about this. Come on.
I still would be if it's a Pollard.
Oh, man, I don't know.
Elliott covered it.
Okay, it's upside down. Let's go. Let's slow roll this, baby. Let's see it. Come on, be something crazy. Number 119. Going to
Titans?
The Titans.
Hassan
Haskins. 1 of 1. It's because it's a printing plate. But, I don't know. Is it autoed? It's autoed.
On plate.
Autoed on plate A. Hassan Haskins. 1 of 1. That's pretty slick, dude.
That's awesome.
Nice hit.
Congratulations, Titans.
Nice hit, Titans. Wow, that was a crazy box, guys. That was an awesome box.
7 autos.
7 autos. 1 of 1 printing plate on-card auto.
And then Olave.
And Olave on the back, rookie of the year.
That was awesome.
Wow. Okay. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 autos in that one. Guys, quick hit recap. Thanks. Nice hits, man. All right, quick hit recap, guys. We got Darian Butler, rookie ticket auto. Troy Anderson, rookie ticket auto. Thayer Munford, rookie ticket auto. We have the rookie ticket numbered to 88. Charlie Kohler. You got it, John. Thank you, buddy. Trenton Gill, Chicago auto. We got Alec Pierce on card auto. Isaiah Likely, number to 49. championship ticket auto. We got playoff ticket, Jack Jones, number 299. Chris Olakatoon. I don't even know. Rookie ticket auto. That's Josh's guy. Jordan Mason, rookie ticket auto. We got the Aiden Hutchinson on-card rookie ticket auto variation. Tyler Algier, rookie ticket auto. Kingsley Anagbar, rookie ticket auto. Perrion Winfrey, rookie ticket auto. Channing Tindall, rookie ticket auto. We have the 1/1 printing plate, A. Hassan Haskins, 1/1. And last but not least, we end this baby off with a banger, guys. Congratulations, San Francisco 49ers. Playoff ticket, number 299. 18/99. Brock Purdy. Gorgeous. You got it, Pat. Is that you?
Eller had a nice
Eller. Nice hit, dude. It's going in the safe for you. We'll just make sure to charge you double when you come and pick it up. We appreciate it, as always. There were a couple other single hits, guys. Sorry, Superstar. We got the Jamar Chase number to 25. We got the Contenders Christian McCaffrey number to 99. And then the Kirk Cousins playoff ticket. But highlight card of the break. Woo! We will take some pictures and post it up for you guys. Thank you all for joining. Have a wonderful Easter.
Keep your eye out for more.
Oh, yeah. Definitely pay attention, guys. We'll have some more posted up.